Using the lesson library. Here you can find the PocketLab Lesson Library. Here you can find tons of lessons that use PocketLab sensors or lessons that don't use PocketLab sensors. You can sort by subject, by the sensor used, or by grade level, or by channel. These are just different categories of content. Lessons that use PhET simulations, lessons from some of our partners, citizen science lessons, tutorials, lessons submitted by PocketLab users, NGSS-aligned content, and more. Many of our lessons will include a teacher guide, which will have additional information about how to run the lesson as well as example data. This is what a lesson looks like in PocketLab Notebook. Many of them are around an investigation question. These lessons can have interactive GIFs that show what the setup will look like. These lessons can include videos that students can watch right in this lesson. They can have multiple choice or free response questions, background information, materials required, example data like this, and places for students to collect and analyze their data. There are several other features that can be in these lessons, including data tables, maps, scatter plots, or other ways for students to analyze their data. If you find a lesson that you want to use in your classroom, you can click Add to My Lessons. This will import a copy into your notebook account. Once you import a lesson, you can make any changes you'd like. All of our lessons are fully editable, so you can click into any section and make any changes. You can reorganize content by clicking and dragging. You can add comments, or you can click these plus icons to add additional content types. So here you can add collect data sections, text. You can add a drawing canvas for students to draw in, PhET simulations, data tables, maps, bar graphs, scatter plots, multiple choice or short answer questions, as well as images, videos, and Google Drive files. You can use this Assign to Class button to assign it to your students once you have your class set up, and you can also share lessons with teachers here. So here you can submit a lesson to our user content section where we'll review it and publish it. And you can also get a link to share your lesson with other teachers directly. Any lessons that you import will be here in the My Lessons page. You can go to the lesson library to browse lessons and import them into My Lessons. On the My Lessons page, you'll see any lessons that you have imported from the lesson library, but you can also create new lessons.